Hey class, welcome to Gallup Gardens, where we teach you how to garden on the cheap in the ghetto with cute babies. Also, take a minute, we put it in the description down there to check out Run Homestead. They're a new channel too. I've been following them. I've learned some pretty neat little hacks and things like that, and it's just some pretty good wholesome content as well. Today, I want to show you how we fertilize this corn organically from another one of my hobbies. I tend to hyper focus on some stuff for about 6 to 8 months at a time, and then it kind of goes to the back burner, and then I bring it back. And one of those, besides gardening, is aquascaping, fish keeping, stuff like that. So we're going to be fertilizing with some natural fish waste and doing some water changes on some tanks, things like that. So stay tuned. Ooh, look how black that water is. The vegetables are going to love this. So we still got a pocket of waste. If I can show you. There it is. Look how big that core is. And then we got one right here I gotta get. Alright guys, we got our fish wastewater. We did a water change of about 15 gallons, somewhere in there. I can't show you the camera, but anyway, it is black. Like it's pretty gnarly, which means it's got lots of nitrogen and all that kind of good stuff going on. This was planted using our no-dig technique that we picked up from Charles Dowding and a couple of others. And these are organic varieties. Heirloom varieties, sorry, of course. They're heirloom varieties that we got from Baker Creek. 3 different varieties. It's like a Hopi blue, a black, and then there's like a lavender or a slate blue, and then another almost purple. So if we were to save the seeds, we know we would get other dark varieties, a mixture of the 3. And it's a kind of a field corn for cornmeal. So not really a sweet corn, but I'm looking forward to trying to make corn chips, blue cornmeal, and some fun stuff like that. So, without further ado, let's pour some fish poop down. Also got some purple pole beans growing in here, and some spaghetti squash that Madison planted. Doing the 3 sisters method. And this morning, I think it's a raccoon or something, it's getting in here and bending our stalks over. We also had a bad windstorm last time. I got a feeling though, this stuff is going to make them shoot up. Probably another 6 inches. He who walks behind the rose.